Hello, hello, hello. This is Mr. Beer with another episode of the Bureau of Technology Report. Now, in this episode, we're going to play around with ball bounce on MIT App Inventor. Now, as you can see, I've already got the screen already through. You should have watched the first episodes on the basics of using MIT App Inventor, so we're not going to bother around with those pieces. Now, how do we do the ball bounce? Well, it's really, really easy. So here we are. Where did I get my screen? Well, it's right here in the middle. My canvas. Now I did add that same picture that I've been using. I just think it's funny and silly. And then where did I get the ball from? Well, I actually had to grab it from over here in one of these little places over here. So if you look around, you could see it. I actually grabbed it from Drawing and Animation. Okay. Can I change the color of it? Yes, I can over here in the Properties segment. Okay. Now, you are going to note these two items here, heading and interval, your radius, and your speed also. Okay. We'll come back to those in a second. All right. You have your ball on the screen. You have these items noted, but let's not worry about them yet. How do I get the ball to move? Well, you have to code this segment when you say ball reaches the edge, do what? You want it to bounce, okay? So that's what you're going to do. So you call ball one edge reached, and okay, so we had the ball reaching the edge, which takes on this block. And all we need to do is call ball one bounce on the edge and just call get edge. That's all. Simple and easy. Now, for the ball to get moving, okay, we need to do what's called when the ball flung. So select ball, and you can see these are the options we have, right, for the ball. So we're going to use ball flung right here. Now, the only thing that we're going to do is set the heading and the speed, okay? So all we say is when ball one flung, we're going to take on speed and heading, and that's just get heading and get speed. Now, if you recall, I mentioned those earlier. Here's your heading right here. Now think of it on a 360-degree circle, okay? When each part of the circle is broken down by degrees, 90 degrees, 180, 270, 360 being the top, okay? Set your heading for whatever you want it to do, okay? Start off with 13 degrees. You can change the size of the ball as big or as small as you want, and then the speed, okay? All right, so now,
Can you please see if Maya Marquez?
So you have your speed, you have your setting, and that should get your ball moving around on your screen. Now, if you want to try to randomize it, that's a whole nother block that you're going to have to add to it, but this will get you started with your ball bounce.